Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to change password or update password in Linux or Ubuntu operating system using terminal. So friends, to open terminal you have to press Ctrl Alt T on the keyboard. Now type passwd, PASSWD, and then press enter on the keyboard. Now you have to type the current password of the computer and then press enter. Now enter the new password and then press enter. Password is shorter than 8 characters. That means your password must be 8 characters. Now enter the new password and then press enter. Now again retype your password and then press enter. See, password updated successfully. Thanks for watching this video.